played some nice small ball. We've talked before about how our bread and butter is playing to the wings, and there were several goals that were textbook. Exactly what we try to do is take it to the wings and bring it back for the girls to put in. Miranda had a couple nice saves tonight to keep it at 1. Just some hustle, you know, the one in Soraya, direct kick on goal from Hannah, and Soraya comes in and is there for the rebound and puts the header in. So I was very pleased with the way they moved the ball, the way they controlled the game. So yeah, I was pleased with our style of play tonight.
Definitely did. And like you said, coming up Tuesday, you got that big match there. Look for the South Division. So just your thoughts on how you guys feel about it.
Yeah, we took McBain the first time here in a close match, 3-2, and one of their best players got hurt early in the game, which was unfortunate. So we know it's going to be a tight match, and you know, on their field, and it's probably the game that will decide the South, because I don't think either one of us can have any other loss. So if they beat us, we're tied, and if we beat them, it's ours. And the girls really want Sheboygan again. We didn't think we played our best game at Sheboygan, so they really want Sheboygan again. So yeah, that'll be a key matchup. And then the girls enjoy playing at night, and next Friday night we get Gladwin here at home under the lights, so they enjoy that. For some, it's the first time they've ever had to play under the lights, so it's a neat experience.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll have a little bit more May-like weather for that.
It's May 2nd for crying out loud.
I know, you wouldn't know it.
No, you wouldn't know it. So, but they're playing well. They're playing well together as a team. And like I say, Miranda stepped in as a first-year keeper, and she's doing incredibly well. You know, top to bottom, defense is stepping up with some new people in there. Courtney McKinnon, who doesn't normally play defense, I've asked to go back and play stopper, and I told her she's got a problem. She's playing it way too well. They're doing a nice job.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Appreciate it.